Hey my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time stopping by in my channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of dark circles, puffiness and dark under eye using coffee. Are you surprised? Anyway, I'm going to be showing you how important this is and also how it's just going to get rid of all of that. So if you want to know what all of this comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Please follow me on Instagram so we can relate and also share the video. Alright, let's dive into this video. We're going to be needing some aloe vera gel. Now you can actually use this one or you can use the natural aloe vera gel, but it's actually ideal you use this one because you're actually working on your under eye, so you need something very soft and mild. So aloe vera helps to remove irritations from the skin, and it's also help in lightening up the skin. So what it does is that it's going to remove all the darkness at your under eye, and it's going to calm the puffiness, and also it's going to make your skin glow. Okay, and then I'm going to first of all take a little bit of aloe vera gel. Okay, since we're going to be working at the eye area, we're not going to be needing too much of it, so just a little of this is going to go a long way. So we're going to be needing some coffee. Okay, so you're going to be using either a blended coffee or the coffee grain, and then you blend it. Okay, because coffee is actually great in removing cellulite, it removes pigmentation, it gets rid of dark circles. Okay, so it's going to be very perfect in removing dark circles and puffy eye, and it's also going to be perfect in reducing the redness of your eye. And then we're just going to be turning in about half teaspoon of coffee powder into this. Okay, and we're going to also be needing some brown sugar, guys. Now brown sugar contains a smaller granite particles that helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells, removing all pigmentations, and it will also be ideal using it under the eye because the skin around that place is actually very fragile and very soft. Then to make this even better, since we're going to be working under the eye, we need a gentle scrub. So we're going to be turning in the brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, guys, and since we're going to be working around the eye, we're going to be needing some very mild and natural oil. So we're going to be making use of olive oil. Now olive oil helps so much in tightening up the skin. It closes up a large and open pores, and it is very ideal. You can actually use white sugar. Okay, and also we're going to be putting in a little bit of oil to make that even better, mild and very soft. Okay, so anything we're actually putting under the eye should be really soft and tender. Now we're just going to be mixing and stirring up this ingredient together, and we'll have to stir it so we can have just one consistency, and all of the coffee and sugar are going to mix really well. Okay, alright, so this is it. Alright, this is how it's just going to look like, and this is actually what you need to remove all of the darkness and puffiness around your eyes. Alright, so here is the coffee. Okay, let me bend this so you can see it. Can you see that? Alright, so here it is, and what I'm gonna do is to actually use my hand to apply this, and then you're gonna apply this closing your eyes. Now this treatment is just gonna be very soft. Okay, you have to take it very close under your eye, okay, so that you can actually get rid of all of those darkness around there. Now if you're actually experiencing the same thing upper, you can apply, and this treatment is actually very mild, very friendly, very soft. So it's gonna be perfect to be used around this side, because you guys know the skin under here, from here to here, is actually softer than the skin from here downwards, okay? And also the skin around here and here is very soft. So if you notice, if you use some cream, it's actually make here, you know, lighter and red than every other place. So you have known now, okay? Okay, I hope it didn't get into my eyes. Okay, all right, it didn't get into my eyes. So you're going to do this, and then you leave it on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So when it's there, it's just going to help to lighten up every place. And this is actually very thick, guys, like very, very thick. So you don't have to put too much of the sugar, so it doesn't make it too watery, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go watch this because it's actually beginning to get into my eyes. So after like 10 to 15 5 minutes, you can actually just wash this off, okay? And all of the darkness around that place is just gonna go off, and you're going to be good to go. So how you're gonna wash this is that you're just gonna take water, and then you're just going to do it like this. Okay, so you don't scrub, you just pour the water on your eye, and it takes the treatment down. Okay, so just like that. All right, so you can see how it is now. When you're done washing, you're going to be experiencing some oil retention around that place, okay? So it's actually very, very good that there should be some oil around there, just like you can see that there should be some oil. Okay, this one then finish washing. Alright guys, so for this treatment you can actually store it for a couple of days, guys. Then you have to apply it like 3 times in a week, okay? Not more than 3 times in a week, okay? So it can be very effective, so you don't have to stress around that place, because obviously that is on the eye area, so you don't have to stress it so much. So you have to apply it 3 times in a week, and you don't have to like substitute any of these ingredients. Is that it has to be these 4 ingredients, because they are actually very mild and also very effective to be used under the eye. Okay, so when you're consistent, in just 2 weeks of applying this, all of the darkness under your eye would be gone, okay? And you're gonna be good to go. So you can actually store it in your refrigerator, and it's gonna be very, very nice and superb when it is refrigerated. Alright people, so that's it guys. That's how I take care of my dark under eye. Although I usually don't have dark under eye because I scrub my face every week, okay? So I scrub like everywhere. So if you have a dark under eye or dark circle or puffiness, you can actually use that, and that is just going to take care of that problem, okay? So that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit the like button below, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and to share some knowledge, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawlessly beautiful. Mwah.